Today we're making broccoli and Stilton soup. Begin by placing a pan onto the stove and add in 1.5 litres of water. We'll lightly season it and then we'll bring that to the boil. And while that's coming to the boil, we'll prepare the vegetables. We've got 1 head of broccoli and we'll remove the florets and then just cut them so they're all equal sizes. And we're not going to waste the stalk. We'll peel the stalk and then we'll roughly chop that up too. Next, we need to roughly dice 2 small onions or 1 large onion and 3 spring onions. Now that the pan of water has come to the boil, we're going to add in the broccoli, just the florets, not the stalk, and then we're going to cook that until it's tender. That'll take roughly 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to remove them and we're going to place them into a bowl of cold water. That's going to stop the cooking, and then that's what's going to keep it super green. Now remove the water from the pan, but don't throw it away. We need to keep that because that's going to be the main stock that's going into our soup. So put that to one side, place the pan back on the hob and throw in 25 grams of butter. Make sure the pan's over a medium-high heat, and then once the butter's melted, add in your onions, your spring onion, the broccoli stalk, and 1 clove of peeled garlic. Don't worry about dicing it because we're going to blend it all at the end anyway. Cook these out for roughly around 5 minutes until the onion starts to go transparent and a little bit soft. Now that the onions and the rest of the vegetables are soft, we can add back in that water. That's the original cooking water that we cooked the broccoli in at the beginning. We add that in, bring it to the boil, and then we'll add in the already cooked broccoli florets. Once it comes to the boil and the broccoli's warmed through, you can then add in 150 grams of Stilton. And then we're going to blend it until it's completely smooth using a stick blender. Once it's smooth, season it to your personal taste with a little bit of salt and pepper. So just add a little bit at a time, because remember, once it's in, you can't take it back out again. Add a little bit at a time until it tastes how you like it. To serve, ladle it into a bowl, and then sprinkle it with a little bit extra Stilton if that's what you like. So that's how I made my broccoli and Stilton soup. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to learn how to make plenty more soups, then you can check out this playlist up here. Thanks for watching.